Alrighty, guys. So it is Saturday. It is 6 o'clock in the morning, and we are going to go look at a car today. It's for Kevin, and it should be cool. I'm sorry, I'm like really out of it. I'm not used to being up this early and running on like 4 hours of sleep. This kind of sucks, but it's all for the cars, man. Like, you gotta do this. It's all for the love of the cars. So I need coffee really bad. Kevin will be here in the next like 5 minutes, and then we gotta drive down to Baltimore. I'm not exactly sure where in Baltimore, but somewhere in that area. I don't care. Take you guys along today. See what all we do. Gonna go pick up the car, hopefully. Pay for it and do all that. Might head up to the shop. Not 100% sure, but we'll definitely bring you along. First up is definitely coffee, so I'm ready for coffee. And right there's Kevin. So, let's get to it.
60s, a few more scattered showers tonight and in the mid-40s. I'm CBS 21 meteorologist Steve Knight.
I'm just about to eat my sandwich.
Coffee, food, success.
A bunch of food, actually. We're like a fucking buffet in here.
When you have to take a detour because
Hey.
one of your best friends
Hey.
has excitement poops.
Hey. Personal space. Personal space.
So pretty. Alrighty, so yesterday didn't really go as planned. Long story short, we couldn't get the car. Basically, just some stupid stuff happened and weren't able to go get it. So right now I'm sitting at home, obviously, in my chair. Kevin and Justin are going down to pick up the car with the trailer. So they'll be back shortly. I had some stuff to do around the house. I was planning on going, and then I just didn't feel good this morning, and then I had other stuff to do. So therefore, I didn't go, so I didn't feel an actual pickup. But we are doing stuff. As soon as Kevin gets back, we're going to clean, detail the car. I'll get some stancy shots, and, we'll have fun. Have a fun day. Probably head up to the shop. I got to go pick wheels and tires up from a buddy of mine because I have to go mount them. All that for him. So that won't be in today's video. I'll show you the wheels and stuff like that. It was on my buddy's Slam WRX that I actually did a video on. You guys know what wheels those are. But yeah, so stay tuned. And today we'll show you the car. All right, so it's a little windy, so I apologize if there's like a bunch of wind noise. But I'm here with Kevin. He picked me up. And here's his car. 2001 330 Ci. She needs a little work, but
Yeah.
Alex,
Fucking in Pennsylvania. That's all that matters right now.
How excited are you, Kevin?
We're fucking excited.
It's nice. She needs a little TLC, but she'll get there. Sounds pretty good. So definitely more videos to come. I'll try and put a little stancy edit here, see how that works out. And I think we're gonna go up to the shop, gonna go run a few errands and see what all Kevin wants to do. So fun times. Look at him, so fucking excited. I'm excited for him. This is awesome.
I really like because like a lot of the fucking E46s, like I said, they all sound fucking raspy.
But they scream once you get into the top end.
Yeah. way to get out to like away from town, like because to get to like some open roads that go out there, but basically the only way to get out of here is on the fucking main road. And the fucking cops have to chill there. And we have to be able to go out when the sun goes down. Like a midnight run.
Midnight toge runs. Yo, that truck is bitchy.
We're gonna circle around zero closes. Man, the turning race is really tight on this thing. It's fun.
Alright, so this is how you build a fucking Subaru. If y'all didn't know, this is how it's done. One credit card. 2 credit cards. 3 credit cards. And 4 credit cards. That's how it's done.
Spread out. You need
So we're here at the shop. First time I'm showing Kevin my car in person.
The first thing I
surprisingly.
think of at being back here is
I have no front seats right now.
exactly, dude. You can like put your leg over here and shit. Oh my god. Oh, there's a back door. Shit. Why'd you make me go that way?
But how do you like the shop, Kevin?
Really nice.
How do you like the car?
Very nice.
But there's a bunch of stuff coming for the car. Kevin's hyped on it. Kevin will be up here a lot. Do a lot of cool we'll get Kevin's E46 up here, and we're going to do stuff. Hopefully tonight, Kevin, are we going to go look at that car still?
What time is it? We do it very soon.
Yeah. 7:22.
I'm gonna call Brandy and see what she's at. We might have to pick her up, or we'll just get food on the way back.
All right. So, Mike gonna look at another car today. We will see. Keep you updated. And yeah, but kind of a slow day. It's cool to show Kevin's car. Sick. Cool to see the thing. Cool to get a ride in it. He got a really good deal on the car, and I'm really hyped for him. And there'll be a lot more coverage on that. So, stay tuned, and I'll give you a little update later on and see if we go see the car. If we go see it, you'll see. And if not, well, stay tuned.